Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another travel videos. So for today's video, we're heading to Crater Lake. It's located in Hudson Bay, Smithers in British Columbia. We'll start our journey at the Esso gas station at Smithers, British Columbia. It will take a 30-minute drive from the gas station to the ski hill, which were our starting point of the hike. As you can see in this part of the video, we passed the ski hill, so we have to reverse drive back because I don't think our car will be able to climb that road, or if we're allowed to do so. Hello everyone, we're here at the parking area. Actually it's said here no parking. I don't know if you can see that. So they say no parking here for winter, but for summer you can park here. Like this car is here, so we asked the one that just came in, and he said you can park in here on the summer. So that's I believe a few kilometers away from here, so we have to hike. There's nice cabins in this area too. Yeah, we drive our vehicle here a while ago. Go up in there, but we stopped. guys. So almost at the Crater Lake. Medyo hingal na ako. After walk, tapos after this ridge, ano na yung spot. Almost there. So nalakad, puro patas na. Guys, Crater Lake. Crater Lake. Yan, Crater Lake. So, babalik na kami kasi wala nang araw. There you go, everyone. The Crater Lake. An excellent trail with an easy access to the alpine above the ski area on the Hudson Bay Mountain. A hidden lake under the steep cliff. I hope you like our quick hike adventure. As you can see, after we reach the lake, we head back right away because it's getting cold and also getting dark. We also don't have a proper light with us to hike at night, so we decided to head back right away. Also, we need to drive more than 3 hours where we had staying. And that's the end of our video. If you're wondering where are the piano on our video, well, we kind of missed that part. Thank you for watching, guys. If you happen to like our video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to support our channel. And see you on our next travel video.